Hello students, let me see exercise 1.2 of class 10th math topic the real number. Real numbers, this is the exercise 1.2. Question number first here, that is express each number as product of its prime factors. So students, you know about the prime numbers and composite numbers. So we reminds again here, prime number are those numbers which are divided by 1 and the numbers that is given itself. So that are called prime numbers, and after that the number is given and more the factors including 1 and the number is given is called composite numbers. So student, that is the prime number and composite numbers, and here we find out the prime factors. Prime factors as a part given. Let question number first one part, that is the 140, and here we find out the prime factors. So for find out the prime factors, we have studies the lower classes. So that is 140. It means to say that is 270, 235, and here we see 5 7 time and 7 1 time. So this is the method of prime factorization. So this is the factors of 140 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. So here we can write this 2 की power 2 multiply 5 and 7. So this is the factors of 140 by the method of prime factors factorization. And let me take the second questions. Second part is 156 and here 156. We try to make the factors of these numbers. So in prime factorization methods, students, you know, first we divide the lower number that can be divided here. So the lower number can be 2 7 time and 2 8 time and 2 3 time and 2 9 time and 3 1 time and 3, and after that 13. So here you get 1, and after that the prime factorization methods we get the factor is that 156 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. So we can write that 2 की power 2 multiply 3 and 13. So this is the way of finding out any numbers prime factors. So this is the method we here discussed. This is the prime factorization methods, students. You know, same this way we find out 3 8 2 5 factors and 5005 factors and 7429 factors, students. So this is the question number 1. I hope you can understood better well. Let's after that the remaining part, third, fourth and fifth, you can do yourself. If you can feel any kinds of problem, you can ask me later. So this is the question number 2 we discuss here, that is find LCM and HCF of following pair of integers. Verify that LCM multiplication HCF equal to product of two numbers. So here students, let me see. Take part first, that is 26 and 91, and here we find out the factor of 26. The factor of 26, that is 2 multiply 30, and factor of 91. The factor of 91 you can 7 multiply 30 Okay students, so this is the factors of 26 and 91 we get here. So finding the HCF, you know, finding the HCF, the common factors in the given factors we take, that is that in 26 the common factor is 13 and here also 96, 91 the common factor is 13. So we take here. So this is the HCF finding methods and LCM. So in LCM first we take the common numbers. The common number is 13 and after that the remaining number 2 and 7. So this is the LCM students, you know, and according to question LCM multiplication HCF. So here we multiplied 13 multiplied 13, 2 multiplied 7. So here 13 and 13 multiplied 1, 6, 9 and multiplied 7 to 14. So here we multiplied 14 9s of 126, that is 6 and 12 carry, and 14 8 ja 14 6 ja 84, 84 and 12, that is 96, 96 का 6 carry 9 and 14 1 ja 14 and 9 23. So that is the product of HCF and LCM 2 3 6 6. And now if we see the product of two number, the product of two number, it means to see that is the number, first number is 26 and second number is 91. So here you see students, so we divide here, first we divide, that is 1 26 multiplication 9 6 54 4 and 9 to the 18, 18 or 5 carry 23. So 6 6 3 and 2. So here students, the product of number also 2 3 6 6 6 2 3 6 6. So this is the satisfied condition we have to given here, question number 2. After that you can solve it by second part and third part by these methods. Okay student, till then